Hello guys, welcome to another episode of the Dual Force. Today we're going to be continuing to talk about my motorcycle experience and where I'm currently at. So I'm trying not to make this video too long, but I want to share how I've been doing so far and how everything's been going. There's also a semi-question I wanted to ask you guys. Maybe some people can help me out, but I probably know this answer, but I probably should do it. So let's just start the video and then we can get to some of the questions that need to be asked. So I found out recently that as long as you have your permit, you've gone to the DMV, you've done the written part, you got the permit, you can drive the bike during the day except for nighttime and on the freeway. What I didn't know is you can actually drive your bike to the DMV course and practice on their course as long as no one is utilizing it or doing an actual test on it. The reason why this is important is because a lot of people fail the test because you have to go in a circle. You have to go in a zigzag and then do a circle and then we go within lines. Sorry. If you go to your local DMV place, they should give you a manual with what to expect on the actual test, and then you should take your bike in there if you already have the permanent practice on it. There's no penalty for practicing. You only have to worry about it when you actually take the actual test. But for the most part, most DMVs leave their thing open for you to actually bring your bike in and practice. That's what I found out last week. Now this week I tried to go, but due to the holidays it's closed. So what I plan to do is next week I plan to go again and practice for an hour or two, and then the following week I'm hoping that I can schedule an appointment to take the test on that day. I want to do this. It feels like a good idea. For anybody that's new, I hope this idea also helps you. You can also find other YouTube channels that people have already actually showed and explained what to expect. But I'm in California, so I YouTube California's laws, rules, and driving tests for the motorcycle course. If you're outside of California, you'll probably have to look up your location for the most part. And if you can't find anything on YouTube, like I said, you should be able to go to your closest DMV, pick up a pamphlet, and they should tell you on the pamphlet what to expect on your actual motorcycle riding course. So I hope this helps. As I'm talking, you guys should be watching a video right now. It's me recording. I need to buy one for my helmet. I'm in the process of buying a permanent new helmet. I had a $20 helmet that I bought off of forgot their website, but I bought it for going 25, 10, 15 miles just to practice on my bike local. But now that I'm kind of getting more comfortable driving outside of my area and I'm exceeding like 35, 40, I need to go upgrade my helmet. Currently right now though, I still have problems at going 45 miles per hour. But before it used to be, I would have problems going 25 miles per hour. 25 miles per hour seems kind of slow to me and boring now. 45 is my new fear factor, but I know the more I practice with my bike, the better it becomes. Anybody that's like me that has a fear factor, watch my beginning videos and I explain everything on there and where I started to better help you. For those that tried a bike one time and the fear completely took over, that you guys stopped but you still want to try, watch my first two videos. I'm in the same boat as you guys, and I kind of go over some things that will hopefully mentally help you guys better for those that have a higher fear factor. And for those that have people that want to ride but are too scared, hopefully you watching those videos will help you understand that individual person that's trying to ride but is too scared. But yeah, this is just a little quick share. I wanted to share a little bit about what I found about the DMV. I can't speak for I just know in California the DMV rules is we have to go through some corners, go in a circle twice clockwise I believe, come back through the same angle and go through those cones. Then you're going to go through the two lines on the side, and then you're going to go counterclockwise twice and go past to the other line. I'll try to post a picture of what it should look like, but like I said, this is California's rules. Everybody should look up their own states, and then if you should talk to your local DMV and see if you can bring your bike, and you should be able to practice on this course. So kudos to that. I hope this helps someone that's trying to pass their driving test. But just because you do this and you practice and you do pass, just keep in mind this does not exclude you from practicing afterwards. A lot of the people that I've been watching on YouTube, some of the people that have been doing it for years, even though they have their licensings and they've been doing it for years, they still push and they still recommend that you still practice whenever you can, especially try to learn something new. Just because the skill on the bike, it's so open, unlike a car. So I would recommend you guys, even though if you guys do pass it this way, still plan on practicing maneuvers just for your safety. Okay guys, thank you. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit a subscribe, a like, and you leave a comment. Have a good day.